For its 30th anniversary, the Nike Air Max 95 gets a nostalgic anime makeover through a Yu-Gi-Oh! Collaboration, bringing Joey Wheeler's sneakers from the screen to real life. The Joey colorway fuses Psychic Blue, Mystic Navy, Stone Blue, and Volt, with scratch mark accents to echo battle wear. Card-style heel graphics, an outsole logo, and insoles featuring Joey and his Red Eyes Black Dragon deepen the anime tribute. Dropping Friday, September 12th for $200 via Nike SNKRS, it releases in limited quantities alongside Nike Destroyer jackets and Sola Swoosh tees for a full fan package. More than a sneaker, it celebrates Joey's underdog spirit and Yu-Gi-Oh's 25-plus-year legacy. This pairing of sport heritage and anime culture shows Nike's knack for storytelling, turning a fictional duelist's kicks into a tangible piece of pop culture history.